how bad my vision is. I'm just gonna lean in so I can actually see whether I'm visible or not. I think it needs to go up a bit, damn it. Okay, I am extremely excited because my Secret Santa has arrived. Sorry, quick cut to editing me because I was so excited that I forgot to explain what is even happening here. I apologise. Apparently I got carried away with myself. So the wonderful NIKKI from Liam set up a Secret Santa for everyone who's a costumer on YouTube, a costuber. She invited a lot of big names and smaller names to participate, but she also left it open for people to ask to join in as well. And since I'd only just started my channel and I wanted a way in to start communicating with all of these lovely, lovely people, and on top of that, I really love giving gifts. It's so much fun to think of things to make. I asked to join in as well. I wasn't expecting anywhere near the response that I've had from you guys. I appreciate it so much. You've all been so lovely to me over the last 24 hours as I'm recording to this. So thank you so much. But this is the result of that. At this point of time, my package has been sent off, and this is the package that I received in response. So here's the unboxing video of my Secret Santa, thanks to NIKKI. I'll have a list of people that were involved later on. Back to the video. It actually arrived quite a long time ago, but we didn't have Christmas decorations up, and obviously that took priority because who doesn't love a bit of Christmassy? And, oh, lovely gay Christmas tree. This is our Christmas tree. We don't have a full-size Christmas tree, we just have the wonderful gay time of the year. Anyway, to the presents. I'm so excited about this. I sent mine off, honestly, probably a little bit later than I should have done, but in plenty of time to get there for Christmas. So I was so excited when this arrived. I have to be really careful when I open it because my wife has already got dibs on the box. So... oops. That's what I meant about being careful about the box. I might get in trouble for that. It's been so well packaged. Okay, very exciting. So, box full of newspaper. What's under the newspaper? Okay. So this is just a note because my wife has a peanut dust allergy, so I asked for no peanut stuff. This is just a note to say that traditional Austrian sweets contain nuts. I know the issue. We live in Germany. Yeah. I'm gonna open the card first. I'm so excited. I can see so many lovely things. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, I'm not actually going to read this. That's so sweet. I'm going to keep that to myself. But that's a really lovely note. And also, she's got me some wings to go on our Christmas tree with a note saying that they've got a Good Omens vibe because Good Omens rules, which is true. Good Omens does rule. So those are going to go on the gay Christmas tree very shortly. Let's see what we got. So we've got a tiny little embroidery frame here, which is great. That will definitely get used. It's a little frame she had already. Oh, I haven't said who it's from. So this is from Marlene. You should definitely go check out her channel. It's going to be left down in the bottom. Okay, first package to open. I could untie the piece of string, but I'm not gonna. Oh, that's adorable. So it's a little pincushion that she made herself. I'm going to show you close-ups on all of these later. but not right now. It's made with cotton, linen and silk. Silk in the middle. Ah, that's lovely. Ooh, I suspect I know what this is from the note. The note on it says, I hope you can do some amazing embroidery with these. They are silk and supposed to be vintage. I just love all the different shades. I would have kept them myself. That's really sweet. Thank you. I feel really bad now. I'll have to do something extra good with them if you could have used them. Mind you, I am going to have to make some Victorian corsets at some time in the future, so... Ooh. Oh, those are such good quality. They just feel lovely. Well, those will get used for flossing on a corset in the near future, if I don't have a embroidery project to do with something with them before then. But I suspect that will be a very good use for some of them. Or maybe I could do something to go in the little frame. Ooh, decisions. Oh, and these ones are green! Okay, those will definitely be useful very shortly. Yes. Yes, we will definitely find a use for those. Oh, I can't wait to use those. Those are so nice. I'll put them back in there. Excellent. Some of the Mozart chocolate things. I've never actually had any of these. We had them in class the other day because it was the teacher's birthday, but I haven't actually had any of them myself, and these I love. Oh, I'm going to enjoy that later. And the best thing is the wife can't steal it from me because she can't eat it. Ha! Stick you on Mozart for now. I'm being defeated by ribbon. Oh, lovely. So there's some shell buttons. And then some linen thread, that will definitely be useful. The only one that she could find in Vienna, I know that feeling. I'm going to be ordering some online soon because there is nothing in here. The city is empty. And some glass beads, yes. Because I mentioned I'm doing a vampire costume. I don't think they'll work. I mean, Hakodama loves the bling, but I don't think red is a vampire colour. I don't know how to look into that, but they will still get used because I use a lot of beads. I'm just going to put the lid back on so they don't go everywhere. Oh, I'm down to the last two, how sad. Actual ribbon, that gets kept. I'm not doing a very good job of opening these cleanly. My wife does a really good job of it, but I do not. Oh, lovely. Scissors, yes. I love these type of scissors. And I must be pretty much the only one who doesn't have a pair like this, and I think they'll go in my embroidery box, so those will get used a lot. And then the last one. What's in here? Oh, I do. Oh. Oh, that's lovely. Thank you. You know, oddly enough, the first thing I think about it is that looks elven because the sun, it looks like it's got little suns on it. But that will definitely get used very soon. And yes, funnily enough, Victorian or Edwardian underwear was the first thing I thought about it as well. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you so much. I'm so happy, thank you. Let me give you a close-up of all the wonderful things that she got me. So, right at the front here, we've got the pincushion that she made for me herself, that I can't wait to use, and the linen thread. We've got the embroidery threads, and you see why I was so excited about the greens. Look at her beautiful colours in there. And the glass beads, they're little droplets. So, I'm just thinking about all the wonderful things I can do with those. And then the little shell beads as well. And chocolate. And yummy snacks. And lace at the back. And then everyone will be surprised to see these scissors. What you'll be more surprised to know is that I didn't actually have a pair like that before. So that's perfect. And then let me show you this lace as well, because it's beautiful. Oh, there goes the chocolate. Look at this. Look at how pretty that is. I can't wait to use it. Oh, and... Huh? I put the camera too low. Oh no! There's my little wings to go on the gay Christmas tree. What I really need is a black pair. I do have some feathers in my box which are black. I might try and jig up a black pair to match. That coming in the near future. There's a list down below of everyone who participated in the Secret Santa. Please, 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 please go check out everyone on that list, not just the big names, because they are all amazingly talented and all deserve your attention. There are so many small up-and-coming YouTubers in this group at the moment, and I'm so excited to see where things go in the future. And I realise I'm one of the newbies here, so, you know, I'm at the bottom, like, I'm so untalented compared to everyone else on this list, but there are some amazing people on there who don't have anywhere near the likes and watches and followers that they deserve, so please go check everyone out. I promise you it's well worth your time. This all got sent to me by the lovely Marlene. Please go check out her YouTube. She started posting videos about the same time that I did, and she's got some really great videos up there, so you should definitely go check them out. I just realised, I really hope that I'm pronouncing your name right, and if I'm not, please correct me. But yes, please go check out her YouTube and her Instagram. She does some really amazing stuff, and she's well worth a look at. We also obviously owe a massive debt of gratitude to NIKKI, who set up this whole exchange. Thank you so much. It's been so much fun, and I really hope we do the same again next year, because this has just been so worth it. So yes, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. There will be some more content relating to the Secret Santa that I sent out coming up probably next week, or at least sometime in the near future anyway. And so stick around for that if you'd like. What did you get for Christmas? That's the question of the day, so pop that down in the doodly-doo. And, well, I guess if you were part of the Secret Santa, then we know what you got because we've seen. Yes, thank you very much. And I'll see you again in the near future.